Today we have with us the dancing diva Shakti Mohan, who has completed her 5 years of journey in TV industry. Let's hear it from her. How has it been?
बिल्कुल लगता नहीं है कि मुझे 5 years हो गए हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में आए and it's been actually today I finished yesterday I finished 5 years after I won DID. तो बहुत amazing moments रहे. The best moment was in itself winning DID. फिर उसके बाद जब मैं न्यूयॉर्क गई I got to be in BBC World Documentary. That was another big achievement in my life. Then the best thing again was being in D3. I think जिसकी सबसे ज़्यादा popularity है, which has become the best youth show today. And फिर D3 के बाद then I got to do झलक दिखला जाओ. So lots of things like that, great achievements. But through and through these 5 years, what has been the most amazing thing is my fans, and they have constantly supported me for everything I have done. There was a time when they got angry when I left T3, then they got happy when I came back. So वो हमेशा मेरे life में मेरे साथ रहे, and I think that has been the best part.
We also asked the diva about her 5 most memorable moments in her 5 years of journey.
Well, right now I can only remember the moment when D3 was getting over, and Kuwar and I, we were writing, making cards for each other, and we were in tears. तो वो मुझे एक moment याद है in these 5 years, which something that comes on top of my head right now. Definitely the moment I won DID, उस time जिस वक्त मैं stage पे खड़ी थी टेरेंस सर के साथ, मुझे याद है जो मैं nervousness feel कर रही थी उससे 100 times more टेरेंस सर feel कर रहे थे. And when I saw him on TV, his expressions, I was like, sir, मुझे नहीं पता था कि आप भी इतने tensed लग सकते हो कभी. So nervous he was. So another moment. One moment would be when I launched Nritya Shakti for the first time. जब मेरा calendar launch हुआ था, the next day, the whole day I was on cloud 9 because I never believed I could do something like this. And I'm very happy कि ये journey इतनी आगे तक आ गई है. Fourth moment would be, I think, sharing stage with Madhuri ma'am. That was a big deal for me. और मुझे याद है जब मैं बीमार हो गई थी शो पे, she came and she hugged me and she said, I know your fans support everybody, they will bring you back because our prayers and support is with you, so don't worry, you will come back. And I was in tears. I was like, I just love her, I'm such a big fan, I can go crazy. And I think the fifth moment would be this moment when I'm announcing my tour, and this is again a very big step for me in life, where I'm launching this tour in 10 cities all over the world. It's been a lot of hard work for me and Kriti both. We have been going day and night working, and I hope I get equal amount of support from all of you because this has not been easy, and I have big plans coming ahead.
Shakti, India Forums wishes you heartiest congratulations and all the best for your future endeavors. Neha Sawant with cameraman Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi everyone, this is Shakti Mohan. You're watching me on India Forums. Do subscribe to WhatsApp TV.